Good morning.
Good morning. Look at this chain.
Are you guys playing zip line?
Stuffy.
We'll go upstairs and get some stuffies.
Let's pretend we're going down. My turn.
I think this is a stuffed animal zip line. We just haven't gotten our patrons yet from their rooms. Don't get rope burn on your hands. Okay, go get your stuffies and play.
Let's go back up the stairs. Let's go. To get the stuffy over here to get on.
Are you the workers
Yes.
of the ride?
Can you hold it, Mom?
Nope, they'll have to wait in line like everybody else.
Like this? Here.
Who's going first?
Eat.
E.T.
Be careful, you.
Enjoy the zip line, E.T.
Here you go. On. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Whee!
There goes E.T.
On the turn. There. I'm going to get you off.
How was the ride, E.T.? I think he would have liked it. Now he's got to wait at the bottom for the rest, right?
And then he could come up.
Oh, he's going to go back in line?
I catch the kids.
So how much do you charge for it, or is it free?
Free.
It's free? Wow, that's nice of you guys. Who's going next, Faye? Princess Anna! Whoa! Is she alright?
She's dead!
Oh, go check on her. Maybe she's just hurt. Oh. You guys are going to be out of business if you have accidents like that.
She has to go to the hospital. Actually, she did it.
Oh, goodness. Faye, you don't have a very good safety record so far.
I am. She just wanted to splat it off and
Let her rest.
Open.
Poor Princess Anna. No more zip lines for you.
No, I got there first.
Make sure they all wait their turn. Who's next?
Me. Here you go, E.T.
E.T.'s going again? Even after that fall? Wow. He's going backwards.
Got you.
Good job, E.T. You're good at this. Maybe Valor is a better worker. Who was that? Oh, that was good. She stopped nice and safe. And now our monkeys are enjoying a ride on the zip line. Or just hanging out to dry. Or hanging around for fun.
And we made it fit, and look what I did.
Yes, let me see this. So out of all the toys that you just got for Christmas, this is what they play with. A couple of plastic bags with Kleenex inside taped together.
And Valor's coloring on it.
You're coloring on it too? All right.
Coloring on it.
You're decorating?
Yes, that's all I need.
Well, at least you're busy.
Valerie,
Have fun, monkeys.
one could work.
What you doing?
Now this is later on when we did it.
So this is an experiment?
Yes, I'm trying to make it into ice.
Oh.
And first I put the bag. I'll show you. I made this bag. First, how did I make it? I put Kleenexes in these two bags. You take this up, then put marker on it, and then put marker on it, and then you put it in some, and we put it in the window. But I am wrapping it up, and then we put that. And then we put a blanket around it, and then we put an ice pack and wrapped it up, and then we took these things out, and I tried to put that in there, and then this is right now.
So what do you think will happen to the Kleenex in the bag?
Get cold. I hope it's gonna turn into ice.
To freeze? An ice Kleenex? And
Yeah.
Faye, what's going to happen to yours inside the blanket?
It might melt.
It might melt, the ice pack?
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to find out when we check on it again, right?
Yeah. But it will take 1,000,000 hours.
Alright, well, we'll find out. Oh, there you go. So let's see if it's cold enough outside to freeze that. And I think it is. It's winter, even though we have, like, no snow.
Try to melt this.
And then you're going to melt that separately in the blanket. Alright. Good luck. We'll check back in later.
Hello. Hello. Thing is, I'm going to say, I'm going to be on YouTube. And just want to say, bye. 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 I'm just kidding. The video's not over yet. Look who is sleeping. Just want to say bye.
So we are getting ready for bed, and we've read our books, and we've set up our little tent.
Wait, can I
by request tonight. Okay, go put your bedding in there.
Let me touch it.
Why do you want to touch it? Okay, thank you. Thanks for the high five. And Valor's going to sleep in Faye's bed, and Faye's going to sleep in the tent.
But first
just for a change for tonight, because there's no school tomorrow.
Don't put it there yet.
Okay, Faye, you set up your bed.
And I'm going to close it in tonight.
Okay.
In case you look at my Pokeball. Look at my Pokeball. Watch this.
Oh, he came out.
Look at this time.
Who is that?
I don't know.
We don't know his name. We'll have to look him up.
And look at these spikes that come out.
Yeah, that's rough.
Great.
Are you going to get a stuffy to bring in here, Valor?
Yeah.
Faye, you got your stuffies?
Yes. And the Pokemon.
The stuffy? Okay. So everybody get what you want.
Okay.
Don't take too many, Faye.
It's downstairs.
Okay, go down and get it.
Bin.
Go grab it. So we didn't do too many videos today. We did a few things.
We did
so
video part.
Yeah, the vlog's a bit shorter today because Mama wasn't feeling so good.
And I wasn't feeling so good.
Yeah, we've had a bit of a cold, and so we stayed home and just had a relaxing day. Go make up your bed.
Wait, let me touch it.
Nope, make up your bed.
Okay.
Get ready. Your tent. Camping out.
I'm camping.
Valor's going to get his stuffy, and
I'm camping in my closet.
with your old lady cough there.
I'm camping.
So getting set up, and that'll be the end for today. Tomorrow, where do we go tomorrow, Faye? Tomorrow's Sunday, so we have church. Oh, there he is.
I want Pancham.
Yeah, I see him. Okay, go put him in the
I
bed.
want Pancham too.
All right, say bye till tomorrow.
Bye. Bye. This is today's vlog. Like and thumbs up if you like this video. Or thumbs down if you don't like this video. Thumbs up.
Okay.
Bye. To Faith and Valor's channel. Bye. See you next time. Bye. See you in Pinata.
Pinata. I think it's manana for tomorrow.
At Pinata.
Good enough.
Bye.
Bye.